Jeff Bezos is looking to raise $100 billion for a new fund. According to the Wall Street Journal, the idea is to buy manufacturing companies and use AI to ramp automation. The project is described as a, quote, manufacturing transformation vehicle. Bezos, who has a net worth of approximately $250 billion as of late last year, is reportedly reaching out to major financial players in the Middle East and Singapore to raise money. Bezos is reportedly looking to target large industries, including aerospace, chipmaking, and defense. Last year, the New York Times reported that Bezos would return to an operational role for the first time since 2021, when he stepped down as Amazon CEO. He'll serve as co-CEO of a new startup called Project Prometheus. Prometheus launched with some $6.2 billion in funding and a focus on using AI to engineer and manufacture hard goods, like cars, planes, and computers. Project Prometheus reportedly built a staff of nearly 100 employees, including recruits from OpenAI, DeepMind, and Meta, to work on physical AI, machine learning systems that source real-world data to make decisions in real time. In January, Dwayne Newman, Chief Product Officer at Aerospace, wrote a column for IEN that discussed the significant sea change coming to the industry. Newman said, quote, Prometheus underscores a deeper shift, the rapid acceleration of AI designed specifically for industrial and engineering environments. Aerospace is a SaaS technology provider that uses proprietary AI and engineering data to solve problems and accelerate innovation. The company works with more than 6,000 companies and 650,000 engineering end users in various industries like aerospace and defense. Newman said the industry has arrived at a moment that marks the transition from AI built for digital convenience to AI built for physical reality. Until now, industrial sectors have moved more cautiously, constrained by safety, regulatory oversight, and the high cost of failure. He said Project Prometheus reflects a recognition that these constraints are not barriers to AI adoption, but the reason industrial AI must evolve differently. Still, the physical AI realm will continue to grapple with the same challenges facing AI in general, like garbage in, garbage out, the concept that the output's quality is determined by the input's quality. Newman says over the next decade, industrial leaders will be distinguished by their ability to operationalize AI responsibly. Those who succeed will combine advanced models with trusted data, connected workflows, and disciplined engineering practices that ensure innovation can scale safely. He concluded that Project Prometheus is not just about advancing AI capability, but, quote, a broader realization that the most valuable intelligence is engineered, purpose-built for environments where failure is not an option. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.